Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that XPR network token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, XPR network is a public blockchain and smart contract platform designed to bridge traditional finance, TradeFi and decentralized finance, DFI, by integrating secure digital identity with fee-less high-speed transactions. Bridge TradeFi and DFI. It connects bank accounts and fiat systems directly to the blockchain applications, aiming to minimize and fraud and simplify payments. Fee-less and fast architecture. The network offers zero gas fees for users and can process up to 4,000 transactions per second TPS. Identity first user experience. It replaces complex wallet addresses with human readable @names and offers optional on-chain KYC verification. XPR project institution rating 3.2. XPR token total supply is 32.19 billion and circulating supply is around 29.16 billion XPR token. XPR token is listed on KuCoin, Gate.io, MEXC, Bitham and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.